Today, we will learn the sounds of letters with X symbol. Are you ready? Let's go! A for apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. It's apple. Yummy fruit. B for ball, B-A-L-L, ball. It's ball. Let's play. C for cat, C-A-T, cat. It's cat. Meow, meow. D for dog, D-O-G, dog. It's dog. Woof, woof, woof. E-E-E-E-E-E-E-E-E-E-E-E-G-G-X. Great, it's egg. It's egg, healthy to eat. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. It's fish, it swims in waters. G-D-Do-Do-Do-Do-Do. G for grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. It's grapes, sweet and juicy. H, O-H, H-E-N, hen. It's hen. It lays eggs. I for ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. It's ice cream, cold and sweet. Whoops. J for jam, J-A-M, jam. It's jam. It's jam, tasty and sweet. K for king, K-I-N-G, king. It's king. He wears a crown. L for lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp. It's lamp. It gives us light. M for moon, M-O-O-N, moon. It's moon. It shines at night. N for net, N-E-T, net. It's net. Catch the fish. O for ox, O-X, ox. It's ox, a strong animal. P for pear, P-E-A-R, pear. It's pear, sweet and tasty. Q for queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. It's queen. She wears a crown. R for rose, R-O-S-E, rose. It's rose, a beautiful flower. S for sun, S-U-N, sun. It's sun. It gives us light. T for train, T-R-A-I-N, train. It's train. Choo-choo. U for unicorn, U-N-I-C-O-R-N, unicorn. It's unicorn, a magical horse. V for van, V-A-N, van. It's van, a big vehicle. W for wheel, W-H-E-E-L, wheel. It's wheel. It goes round and round and round. X for X-ray, X-R-A-Y, X-ray. It's X-ray. It shows our bones. Y for yo-yo, Y-O, yo-yo. It's yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z for zero, Z-E-R-O, zero. It's zero, nothing at all. Great job, kids, you spelled with me. See you next time and keep spelling with me. See you next time and keep spelling with me.